How does this translate to, say, if I wanted to buy a house somewhere
I was.
and there is pani purothyacha problem, there is no
I'll give you a
electricity.
classic example.
Huh.
3-4 months back, there was a big chaos in Mundwa Keshav Nagar.
हाँ.
तो सब लोग जमा होके आए, अजीत दादा वहां पे गए थे एंड अजीत दादा ने फिर वो फोन भी लगाया किसी को. बिल्डिंग परमिशन पीएमआरडीए दे रहा है, सर्विसेज पीएमसी दे रहा है. ये बहुत बड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट है. पानी कॉर्पोरेशन देता नहीं है. पीएमआरडीए ने वो कुछ नहीं, पीएमआरडीए ने वो एक इंडेमनिटी बॉन्ड लिख के लेता है. वो व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? फ्रॉम बिल्डर कि बिल्डर एफिडेविट नॉट इंडेमनिटी, सॉरी, एफिडेविट लिख के देता है. अब उस एफिडेविट के अंदर भी कोई कैप नहीं है. कम से कम ये तो बोलो कि बिल्डर 3 साल पानी देगा, 5 साल पानी देगा. आई हैव सीन डेवलपर्स पेइंग 10 years का पानी ये कर रहे हैं.
Again, taking money from the...
Yes.
People are paying, big societies are paying crores every year to purchase water tanker. And then, they are so reluctant that they are not seeing their municipal corporation property tax bill, where they are paying water bill also. Because it is included in the bill.
And it's a huge water bill. It's like 50 to 20% of the total.
And so they pay double. They pay property tax along with the water bill because it is part of it. And secondly, they pay extra money to get the tankers. And neither representatives know about it because municipal corporation has a rule that if they cannot provide sufficient water to a particular area, particular locality, then they will send tankers to those places free of cost. These people don't know. And that is exactly where administration is taking benefit of it, and even sometimes the elected representatives also. When people don't know it's a free, they show as if it is their mercy because of which people are getting a free tanker. So, they are trying to build their vote banks. ये आपके 4 सोसाइटी को फ्री टैंकर्स
जो आपका हक है उसको उपकार जता रहे हैं.
हाँ.
उसको उपकार जता रहे
आपको फ्री टैंकर्स देना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. मेरे को वोट देना आपकी जिम्मेदारी.
Our mindset has to change.
बात खत्म. But nobody even has a question in mind. What is this nonsense? Here is my money which is going for water, and here is my money going for tanker also. Nobody even cares. Nobody puts RTI. Nobody even goes to municipal corporation on Monday to find out what's happening. Those who have voice, they get the water.
लास्ट टाइम पे अपना जब कन्वर्सेशन हुआ था, आपने वाटर टैंकर के ऊपर काफी क्लैरिटी दी थी. व्यूज बहुत अच्छे हैं. लोगों ने कमेंट करके बताया कि नहीं देते हैं, ड्राइवर 200 रुपए लेता है, कोई बोलता है 2000 रुपए देते हैं, कोई बोलता है 1200 रुपए लेते हैं. उसका सोल्यूशन बताइए ना. क्योंकि क्या हो जाएगा कि वो रील के ऊपर एंगेजमेंट बहुत आया है. एंड ये जो सारी चीजें मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि नहीं सेंड करते, टैंकर नहीं भेजते, जो 200 रुपए मांगते हैं, 1200 रुपए मांगते हैं, 2000 रुपए मांगते हैं, इसका सोल्यूशन बताइए तो उसका फॉलोअप हो जाएगा.
नहीं, इसका सोल्यूशन 2-fold है. 1, citizens first should write to this administration also that we will not pay both. Either we pay for tanker, then we will not pay property tax bill, water tax amount.
इसके अंदर 2 चीजें है विवेक जी. एक तो जिसका इंडिविजुअल घर है, मैं अपने इंडिविजुअल घर में रह रहा हूँ, मुझे पानी आता है, नहीं आया तो मैंने टैंकर्स मंगाया. सोसाइटीज ने क्या करना चाहिए?
Not even individual also need to purchase a tanker. He also should get free of
No, that is what I'm saying. कि इंडिविजुअल ने मंगाया, उसको फ्री टैंकर आया, ठीक है, that is done. What about the societies?
So again, now here comes the...
So when a 100 apartment or a 200 apartment का society will make a better case in the administration.
Correct. And here comes the role of that mediator that is called as the local representative.
Corporator.
He must come with them because he is the representative. Even he won't allow them to come. He should go on his own. I am representing this area and this is the problem. These are the 20 societies who are not getting sufficient water. Here is their water bill. Why should they pay tax? He can raise this issue in general body meeting where the municipal commissioner, water department head, all are sitting there. They are answerable. But ये नहीं होता है. टैंकर मिला, यही बहुत उपकार हुआ. Paid also. That's what people feel. See, basic problem with our people is basically they don't want to get knowledge. That is the biggest problem. They take things lying down. ये तो ऐसे ही होएगा, ये तो होने वाला ही है, ये तो कोई करने वाला नहीं है, इससे क्या होगा, उससे क्या होगा. Till the time people themselves and their representative also, they don't give up this attitude and they feel no, it's my right, I must get it. If two Deccan Gymkhana person paying same tax like me, if he gets 4 hours a day water, so much water for every day, why I am not getting it? What they show? Oh, equal distribution scheme is coming up and soon.
ये एक चीज है ना, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. सून 2 साल में, 5 साल में, मतलब वो 5 साल का सपना आज मैं क्यों तकलीफ में रहूं?
Exactly. So people should say soon जब आएगा तो आने दो. That time we will not ask for tanker. Now provide us free tankers. That is your job. And that their representative has to talk to the administration. If they are not listening, he has to raise it up into the general body where he has got voice of people to say there. But ये नहीं होता है.